So this is the DBXL, excuse me. This is a DBXL 1.0. This is the rear transfer case that I lunched. I don't know if you can see that, but it was not at a happy degrees. I might be missing parts. Okay, so there's definitely parts missing, but that's neither here nor there, I guess is one way to say that. I'll just have to order them. I get to put this together the best I can, and then if I need to order more parts, I need to order more parts. All right. I'm going to spray this with some brake clean to get rid of some of the bits inside the... Okay. Put a big old goop of oil on this one. to get the sleep bar. Like that. Okay. That's easy. Working these. Yeah. Nice. Two dollars. Okay, where's the kids? Oh, I'll just start. Okay, just start. Okay. Okay, I got it all together. I'm running out of battery on the camera, so I'm not going to show you me trying to start it. But basically, it's I do 5 of these primes like this, and then I'm going to pull this 3 times real slow, and then I pull it hard 3 times, then I pump it 3 times, and then I pull it 3 times, and eventually it starts. You could use the choke if you want. There is a choke, I think. Is there? I don't remember. Anyways, my battery's dying. I'll come back when it's running. Alright, so again, I didn't get it recorded, but we ripped the ripcord off from this one. Trying to start it. Oh, and I forgot the vice grips. Actually, I might just go rotate this. There we go. God, that's heavy and it hurts. Star pattern. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, so what I did is I installed a standoff inside here. And now I've got this plate, which interfaces with the pull start. Okay, I don't know how much of this ended up being recorded because the phone decided it was more important to update than to record. So we may have lost almost everything. That's okay. Alright, I've been having problems getting this one started, which is one of the reasons why the thing broke. I just pulled it too much. Leia, Milby. Alright, so it's fine now. I adjusted the carburetor. Once I adjusted the carburetor, it fell into place with running and stuff like that. And I think the other thing is it doesn't have a choke, so it's hard for it to warm up. This was supposed to be something super simple, just replace the ripcord. But I ended up having to modify, if you see, the exhaust wouldn't fit back on. It had to be modified. All the structure inside here, and a piece of structure here had to be cut out. And it almost looks like this needs to come off, but I'm not going to take this right here. I'm not going to cut that. It looks like everything still fits, even with it there. But it runs good now. I don't have any video of it running good, but it runs good. Oh, look, and it's rubbing up against this window too. Oh, that's okay. It'll melt into place. But it's all done now. It works. I got family coming over tomorrow. Maybe we'll be able to play with it.